Hello, YouTube, Instagram. I am on Twitch now, y'all. I have just realized that I could be on Twitch. Stop playing with us, y'all. Hold on 1 second. I'm gonna allow some people to come into the live before I start yapping away. Hello, Facebook. Insta. Hello to the replay watchers. Hello. If you are on Instagram, on Facebook, or on Twitch, come on over to YouTube where you can chat with me live. Uh, let me see. Let me see if I can update Facebook's. Let me see. Go to your app and website page on Facebook. Then it wants me to. Where do I see that at? Hmm. Hello. Yeah. I'm trying to see if I can fix my comments issue. Oh, business integrations. Let's see. I should have bought me some water or some thing to drink. There are bees all around me. I've been stung by a bee. I don't know if you ever been stung by a bee, but it does not feel good. Okay? It does not feel good at all. Okay, I think I found what I'm looking for. And I don't see. Aha. So it's not even there. Aha. Oh, here we go. All right, I found it. Now you guys can actually send me comments via Facebook. Yay! Awesome. I'm so excited about that. So I can we could communicate via Facebook now. Let me see if I can do. Uh, Let me reload. Okay, let's see. Oh, Facebook is still not allowing me to do it. Let's see. Let me try it one more time. I want to try it one more time. Well, it is public. It is public. I don't know why it's saying that you guys can't comment, but let me know if you're able to comment. That would be so dope. Hello, hello. So I am going to be going over um, the stock market, how to read the chart, um, and that's mainly what I'm going to cover today. Reading the chart, understanding what you're seeing. Uh, because I know that when I first started trading 10 years ago, I didn't know what the heck I was looking at. And it was very frustrating because well, 5 years ago, I said 10, 5 years ago, when I first decided to like hop into the market and start trading, I was like so like lost. I didn't know what the line on the graph meant. I didn't know what the percentages meant. I didn't understand much of anything. Um, Make sure that you comment. Let me know where you're viewing from, what platform you're on, so I know where I'm getting the most traffic. Let me know if you can hear me, okay, clearly. Go ahead and share my screen. Uh, and I want to start trading with. I want to view uh, Apple. I love speaking from Apple's chart because a lot of people have Apple. Apple is a really big, brand. And so I would love to show you guys how to trade in Apple. Okay, so let me make my screen bigger. And then I'm going to show you guys first understanding the percentages. Okay, so let's go to Apple on Robinhood, and then I'm going to transition to Trading View. Okay, let me go ahead and share my screen. So, all right, this is Apple's chart, right? And as you can see here, Apple is currently at $235.67. It is growing, okay? It's going up. Um, of course, it goes up and down throughout the day. At the end of the day, it will show you where it stops, okay? Uh, it'll have the closed market price, okay? Um, so far, Apple has grown by $3.50, okay? Uh, which is 1%, 1.50% today, okay? And this is in the day view, all right? As you can see here, oh, I lost my way. Okay. As you can see here, you can change the view from 1 day to 1 week to 1 month to 3 months, year to date, 1 year, 5 years, and the maximum amount of time that Apple has been open. Now, here's the thing. Here's how you see it's windy. It was feeling good at first, but that wind is nippy. Um, let's see. All right. Hello, viewers. Make sure you write in the chat where you're tuning in from. I would love to know where my viewers are coming in from. You can only comment via YouTube currently. I have to figure out why the comments are not populating on Instagram and Facebook. Sorry about that. Okay. And so now here on Apple, we are looking at the maximum amount of time that Apple has been public, right? And so if you go all the way to the beginning of the line, of course, that's when Apple opened, and that was around, I can't see. So hold on. My screen is cut off here. My screen is cut off here. Uh-oh. 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 Okay. So it's been open since about February, March. I think that's February in the beginning right there. And it was only 90 cents, y'all. Y'all could have bought an Apple stock for 90 cents in 2000. Okay. When I say y'all, I mean me too. I literally got into Apple not too many years ago. And trust me, I was over here somewhere. I was like 170 something when I got in. Okay. And no, not even, because I got in, it was like 179 when I got in. So could you imagine if I got in back in the 2000s for 90 cents and rode the wave? OMG, I'll be a millionaire. Like I would be banking, and so would you have been. So now let's go to TradingView, and I want to show you guys uh something. Okay, I'm going to change my view to a line versus candlesticks. I do not pay for TradingView, so let's get that ad out of the way. And then we're going to change this chart from monthly to a week. Okay. And then we're going to make this chart make sense. So we're going to make it a little smaller. Okay. And I want to show you guys the trend. Okay. So it is very wise to follow the trend. Okay. And when I say follow the trend, I mean trade with the trend. You wouldn't trade against the trend. Okay. And that really goes for when you're like day trading and things of that nature. But either way, right? You still want to trade with the trend. So the trend is basically, what is the market doing? Is it going up or is it going down? Simple. Okay. A lot of these gurus, I follow them. I've learned a lot, but they make it seem so technical. They make it seem so difficult. They make it seem like it's untouchable. The the way that they explain things. I'm gonna explain it very simple, very beginner friendly. Okay. Um, Trading with the trend is simply, is it the trend going up or is it going down? Okay. You also want to find your support and your resistant line. Your support line is, hold on, let me see something. Your support line is the bottom line. So let's add the text here. Let's see. Uh-oh. No. Let's add our text right here. Support line, right? And then we have our resistance. Okay, resistance. Okay, and so this is the support line, because every time the market dips, it stops at this line. As you can see, it tried to touch it here, it didn't work. It tried to come back down again. It didn't work. It tried to come back down again. It didn't break, right? You also want to know the higher highs and the lower lows. So the higher high is considered the top of each peak, right? So the higher high here was at 125. The next higher high was at 134. The next higher high was at 175. You know what's a higher high? When it went higher than the last high. Simple. Okay. And you want to find your lows. So was it a higher low than the last low, or was it a lower low than the last low? So if it's a higher high and a higher low, that means the trend is going up. It's not getting lower than it was before. So the trend is going up. So you know this is a stock that's in an upward direction. An upward direction means the word used for a upward trading, an upward trend would be bullish. Okay. And then a downward trend is considered to be bearish. Okay. When you think about bullish and bearish, okay, let me just marking up my chart here so you guys can get a clearer understanding of what I'm referring to. Okay. Okay, so bullish trend means it's going up, okay? Bearish trend means it's going down. So actually, let me turn my line the other direction. Boom, okay? If you want to think about it, I like to explain it like a bear and a bull. The bull is going to thrust you up in the air, the bear is going to hold you down, okay? So, bearish and bullish markets, okay? So when you're looking at a stock, you want to figure out which way the market is going. Now, I know that I know I'm into the market going up because I'm trading stocks. I trade options and sometimes I day trade. Sometimes I do trade crypto, um, but I'm not currently trading forex or high frequency HFX. But when you're trading HFX or forex in the forex market, you will want to know the trend because the trend is your friend. The trend is going to let you know which call or put you should take. Okay, a call means that it's going to go up. A put means that it's going down. So call up, put it down type thing. Okay, so if you ever want to go into the forex market or HFX, you now know the difference between a call and a put. Okay, either way, the trend is your friend. You want to follow the trend. In the stock market, you want to know the trend because you want to figure out your entry point and your exit point. Okay, so I like to teach my mentees that you buy low and you sell high. Okay. Buying low and selling high means you're waiting for the market to pull back to that support line to get in, to buy in. Okay. And as you can see, the market repeats itself. So it went up and it came back down. It went up, it came back down, went up, same, so on and so forth. It literally came all the way back down to the support line. Okay. Um, let me see. Let me change this view from, I want to go to a monthly view. Uh-oh, wait. So we are viewing the month chart, right? And here I'm gonna draw again my support from my previous high, right? And I'm gonna draw it straight across, right? To about there. Uh-oh, nope, don't leave. And then no, I'm sorry, my previous low. So this is my previous lowest low, right? From where the market is currently at, right? And then I'm going to take another line and I'm going to start right where it looks like the market keeps on retesting. Okay. So as of right now, as you can see, I felt my support from where the market seems to like not have broken past, right? And if you can look over here, this is the previous lowest low, right? Uh, and then over here we have where the market broke through that support line. So you want to start there to draw your resistance, right? To see what is the resistance that's happening over the past month. So as we can see, the support line has been $221.58. You find that number over here, okay? Right here on the side, okay? That's how I'm finding these numbers, okay? The resistance where the market kept on retrying, because the market is always going to retry itself, right? Retry the price point. So 229 seems to be a place where it has touched that line more than one time. So it touched it once here, it touched it again, but it broke through. It came back, it retested the resistance line and made it a support for it's like literally a semi-second, okay? And went up, tried this new resistant line. It becomes a new resistant line because it went back down, okay? Now, I'm going to show you something. Stay with me, okay? Now that it created a new support line, right? And now it has a new resistant line. It tried the support line to be for sure that that is the support line, right? So the market went down, 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 down. It hit 221 and then it tried the market again. And as you can see, that last support line actually became a solidified support line for Apple, okay, which is 229 right here. It shows you right here, like you cannot miss it, okay? Um, Let me see. Where is? Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, shucks. Redo. Oh, I can't redo my line. Oh, shucks. I don't want this line. I want my other resistance line that I drew. Okay. All right. All right. So as you can see, right, Apple has created a new support and a new resistance. It also has created pretty much a new support line. Once this right here does what it's doing and it stops trading sideways and has a breakout, we're going to see if this is considered to be the new resistance, okay? New support, or is it going to be continue to be a resistant line? So you have a couple of different levels here. So now let's say if the market drops all the way back down to 221, and I'm gonna tell you something. Looking over Apple's history, it doesn't seem to be the case. Okay, Apple don't seem to really drop crazy like that. The last time it dropped crazy was in August. Okay, but right now it looks as if it's a upward trend. As you can see, let's find the trend, right? Boom. That looks to be an upward trend. Am I right or am I wrong? Hmm. Oh no, hey, I lost my page. What the heck? Okay. So currently it looks like Apple is crawling its way up. But my advice would be this would be a new entry point to 230, right? So we would save Apple on our watch list, right? For when it goes back to 230. And that will be a great entry point because this currently is the support line, right? This is currently the new resistance. Now, if you can get in below this support line, oh, you in the money because it has not seemed to have created a new support line lower than 230, okay? 229 rather. So that's how you find your support and your resistance, okay? Let's see. All right. So now we know what bearish is, we know what bullish is, we know what our support and our resistance line is. We figured out where a support, an entry level would be. Uh, what would be your exit? So you buy low, right? When it gets back down here to the support, either here or here, right? One or the other, or if it comes back down and touches this line again, this trending line. You see the trending line? When it comes back down and hits the trending line, that will be another great entry point because you know the trend line is what it has been favoring. Okay. So once it hits your trend line, you will hop back into the market. You will hop into the market, get you some shares in Apple. Okay. Uh let's see. So I say about 232, 230, you will get yourself in the market. All right. And then you will ride the rest of this wave up. All right. There is so many other technical analysis techniques that you can use in the market. Um, Double tops, all type of things that you can use. But this support and resistance is a great way for a beginner to be able to figure out what the trend is, uh, which direction the market is going in, what is the support line, right? So that you can understand what the market is trying to tell you. Okay, if you see a stock going in a downward direction, I would say stay away. Stay away. Okay, you're not gonna make any money. The market is going down. All right, sort of like Tesla right now. And Tesla is trading in a sideways direction. So you 9 times out of 10 will not be making any money in Tesla right now. Okay. As you can see, it hit that trend line about nearly 3 times. One, two, three, the trend is going down. Okay. They had a major dip on October 24th, October 10th. Okay. They're dipping. So this would be a great entry, but you want to know what is going to happen with Tesla, right? So you would draw your support at about right here. And because the market is trending sideways as of right now, you want to find the resistance. So now that you know what the resistance is, which is 221, you're going to wait for the market to either break through this resistance line or plummet down to the support line. Great place to get in, which is about right here. Okay. And then you want to backtrack in the market. Let's go to 6 months ago and see if that support line is a trend or has the market crashed through there multiple times. Let's see. And so it looks like over the past 6 months, Let's see. Over the past 6 months, the support line has been about 208, okay? And the resistance has been 230. And so now the market is trying to test if, well, it tried to test if 230 is still the support. Okay, is it support or is it still resistance? So, like I said, the market repeats itself on a consistent basis. Okay, it's always going to repeat itself. We could backtrack, keep going all the way back. All right, keep going all the way back, and you'll be able to see what the market is doing. All right. So this actually seems to be a support for Tesla 208. As you can see, the market has tested it multiple times, right? It broke through, but came back and retested it again. And it actually became a support line yet again, all right? It also has been a resistance at 230 multiple times, multiple times. So I would say that getting it now and riding it up to about 230 would be a great idea as well if you want to hold it long term for you know, a long term investment. 9 times out of 10 you'll reap all of the profit from what is it at right now, 221 up to about 230. Okay, so that is how you find your support and your resistance. You find the trend in the market. The trend is your friend. Don't be scared to read the chart. I know sometimes it could be a little confusing, the chart. I know I was confused for the first, I say, uh, 2 to 3 years of trading. Once I started to learn what I was looking at when looking at the chart, I got so much more comfortable understanding what I'm seeing and what the market is trying to tell me. Okay. To the point where I literally can look at the chart and hop in and be confident that I'm gonna make some money soon. Okay, y'all. So with that being said, I'm gonna tune out. Okay, I'm gonna make my way downtown because I'm uptown right now. And you guys stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay uplifted, and I will see y'all on the next one tomorrow. No, Monday. I'll see y'all Monday. Bye.